This wooden map puzzle set has been such a great educational toy for my son. It comes with both a USA map puzzle and a world map puzzle, which I love because it helps build skills over time. The pieces are made from sturdy wood and they're just the right size for little hands. I like that this feels more like a busy board style puzzle where kids can really focus, problem solve, and stay engaged without screens. The colors are bright and clear, making it easy for kids to recognize states, countries, and continents. What I really appreciate is how educational this set is without feeling overwhelming. It's a fun way to introduce geography, build spatial awareness, and work on fine motor skills at the same time. My child enjoys taking the pieces out and putting them back together again, and it's been great for independent play or sitting together and learning. This set works well for playrooms, homeschool activities, or quiet time, and it makes a thoughtful gift for kids who enjoy puzzles and hands-on learning. If you're looking for a durable, educational puzzle that keeps kids engaged, this one is definitely a hit in our house.